Did you see that?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Lost in the forest, I broke off a dark twig and lifted its whisper to my thirsty lips. Maybe it was the voice of the rain crying, a cracked bell, or a torn heart. Something from far off, it seemed, deep and secret to me, hidden by the earth. Wakening from the dreaming forest there, the hazel spring sang under my tongue. Its drifting fragrance climbed up through my conscious mind, as if suddenly the roots I had left behind cried out to me, the land I had lost with my childhood. And I stopped, wounded by the wandering scent.
Remember when Bojack said kites are sky trash?
Yes.
Glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming on. I ain't happy. I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming on. It's coming on. It's coming.
That's you. Oh my god, let's go on this adventure.
Swiggity swag.
Where do we want to go? Let's go down to, let's go over here. Alright, this is, are these compound? Yes. This is another course plant right next to it. I don't know anything.
Hey, why does this thing have triangle leaves?
Because it's the Illuminati.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's three-sided.
I'm going to do a little chippity chop.
Fat
rising.
Mycorrhizal fungi.
Oh my god. Don't you trigger me now. These rocks out of here, please.
So much rocks. We're able to walk down here, right?
Yeah.
In the soup for best results.
It's such like a warm fall night's like dinner.
The ocean is the most important thing on Earth. Life on Earth originated in the ocean. It's where it all began, and it's what controls everything on the Earth. The weather, the wind patterns. Most of our oxygen in the world comes from photosynthetic organisms in the ocean. That would be the ultimate how to connect to nature, is to just go deep in the ocean where everything began and just be there.